truth.
He's begging me, bro.
Bro, bro, bro,
Not
stop begging Nate.
Donald. Nate pissed off. No better than that.
Very surprised that she did cut ties with me. Well, yeah.
Will you cut ties with Nate?
No, when Anna cut ties with me, I was surprised.
Oh. But you shouldn't just roasting and beefing with Nate, Dana. You know better than that.
Yeah, I know. I should have done that.
You should have done that to make Nate pissed off.
Well, Nate is also making me pissed off because he keeps stalking me on YouTube and roasting me,
Yeah,
even when I ignore.
but that does not give you a reason to do that stuff. Dana, just ignored him.
Yeah, okay.